It's time for another tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy A71. Let's go. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a tempered glass screen protector from Lightning Night for the Galaxy A71 from Samsung. Now currently this is available on Amazon for $7.99 with Prime shipping. I went ahead and tried this a little bit more expensive than the other one. This is a 3-pack and it comes with an alignment tray, which is pretty cool. That's kind of what caught my eye, so I went ahead and picked this up for you guys so we can review it and see if it's any good. Now the tempered glass that I currently have right now, I think I'll leave a video right there. It was about $3-4 also for a 2 or 3-pack, which it turned out to be okay, but it does not come with an alignment tray or anything like that. So let's go ahead and unbox this and get this installation on its way. Bam. And we do have our alignment tray here, which I love screen protectors that give you an alignment tray. Makes installation a lot easier. We have our 3 tempered glass screen protectors there. We'll only need 1. And this is a register your product for a limited warranty within 14 days. So I guess if you can register that and you can get extra accessories and stuff like that. We have our installation kit here, so we can go ahead and install our tempered glass screen protector. Oh, I think all I need is some wipes and stickers. There we go. Put that aside. Let's go ahead and remove this one. You served me well, buddy. You served me well. $3 or $4 for a 3 or 4-pack wasn't bad at all. Let's go ahead and wipe this off real quick. Fingerprint worked very well with that one, so we had no issues with the fingerprint reader and that screen protector. Hopefully we have no issues with this one as well. Let's go ahead and clean this bad boy nice and good. And we'll get our dust absorbing sticker here. We have our installation tray and just a Galaxy A71 here on the top, so I'm assuming that's the top. Just go ahead and snap it in place. Oh, it does not snap in place. Yeah, it does. So it has a groove here for the buttons. Pretty stiff to get on there, so it's not gonna snap or anything like that. So run this one more time because I did get some dust on there, and I am very particular when it comes to having dust under my screen. I am OCD. I do not like any dust underneath my screen. It'll bug the hell out of me and I'll have to take it off and reinstall a new one until it's perfect. Let's go ahead and grab this, remove the protection on the back, and we're just simply gonna drop it in here. So you want to align it there and then kind of, there we go. Even with a installation tray, I managed to mess it up. So you have this squeegee and it's just gonna remove all the air bubbles away from it, but these tend to go away within 24 hours. No issues with these little squeegees there, and just kind of squeegee them away. Go ahead and remove the plastic tray so we can run this nice and smooth. And there you have it. Let me wipe this down. Pretty flawless installation. You do have a little bit of bubbles here, but those will go away within 24 hours. Now it works pretty good. Boom, no issues there. It works pretty good. So you just got to press it firmly, let the glass adhere to the screen so you can start working flawlessly. But it's also recommended that you reinstall and reprogram your fingerprint reads again so you get a more accurate read with the screen protector on. So just want to give you a quick update on the Lightning 9 screen protector. All the bubbles went away, so no issues with bubbles being left. The screen protector is awesome. It's nice and premium for $7.99. 3-pack doesn't get better than that. And fingerprint reader works. Thanks for watching again. This is the Lightning Night tempered glass screen protector 3-pack with alignment tray, $7.99 with prime shipping. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one of these bad boys up for your Galaxy A71. I absolutely love this device, so I'm going to keep reviewing accessories for this device, trying to find the very best accessories for the Galaxy A71. If you know of any, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.